President Marcos, sabi niya, he is now open to resume discussion with China on a joint oil and gas project in a disputed area on the South China Sea. Is it a good development?
Well, maganda sana yan noon pa, no? Kaya lang if you try to go into oil exploration, siguro minimum yan 5 years.
Matagal.
Bago ka maka-extract, crisis na ngayon eh. And para sa akin, trust is the very foundation of any relationship. How can you trust, how can you enter into an agreement of a joint exploration with someone who is trying to disrespect your sovereignty, undermine your sovereignty, and trying to annex your territory? So, trust is still the foundation. So, pasensya na po, pero talagang consistent naman ako dyan. Wala ho akong tiwala sa gobyerno po ng China. Hindi po yung tao, yung mga Chinese people, ano yan, mga kaibigan mo natin, kababata ko't kinalakihan ko yan. It's just the Chinese government's policies. No? So, ako, I'm not, because of the crisis, because of the situation, I don't think it will help. Kasi nga, not in the next 3-5 years kung makaka-extract, baka 5 years pa. Pag nag-explore, extraction, syempre, ano din magagawa ka ng facility. So, hindi rin makakatulong ngayon.